morning.
Hello.
So we are just leaving Olbia, which was actually a really nice little town. There were so many bars and restaurants open last night.
It was a Tuesday.
Yeah. It was weird for New Zealand. I mean, we didn't go in any of them because we've got no money, but yeah, it was nice to walk around. So today we are heading to Whangārei first and along one of the coastal routes, as well as then up to Whangārei. Not quite sure how you say it. We've got about 3 hours of driving today. We're going to try and show you some of the Northland because we're trying to see some of it before we go up to a job, because we might not have the van afterwards.
Yeah, so basically we're trying to sell the van obviously before we go, but we are spending of the last 10 weeks we have or so, we're spending about 8 of those working and living in the van.
Yeah.
Like, you know, so.
And it's really far up north, so we probably won't get down to this bit. So we're going to try and see some of it over the next couple of days, but the weather is awful. And it's supposed to be awful the whole time. So we probably won't show you it in its glory, but you might see some glimpses of it at least.
Yeah.
A nice drive so far. Lots of forest and then lots of little like beachy areas. Rivers, islands. Lots of national parks and regional parks to explore if you have time. We came off the highway and now we're just driving through lots of countryside. Lots of cows and trees. I get all the way to the coast, to Whangārei, for the chocolate shop, and if it's nice enough, get out, look at the cliffs and the view. But it's coming into Whangārei area. It's like almost mangrove even. Bennett's Chocolatier, chocolate shop and cafe. It's busy. Let's go see what it's like. Pretty.
There's always time for a flat white. This place is super cute.
So we've been driving through Whangārei, which actually has quite a cool vibe. Lots of like surfing shops and bars and eateries, and for such a like remote place, there's actually quite a bit here.
Yeah,
nice houses.
Very clearly putting money.
Yeah, so we're gonna go to the Whangārei Head's like coast. You can do a whole walk, like long hike and stuff along the cliff there, but we don't have time and the weather's not great, so we're just gonna go check out the beach and then head along the coast. But yeah, it's nice, it's pretty. So we got to Whangārei Head's beach area. Yes, and lots of fancy houses, big steep driveways, so you can go up the cliff. And then you can go along the beach when it's low tide as well.
Very windy. Very, very windy. But really nice beach. Is that good? Really nice. We're going to keep you this way whilst I'm talking, just so you can hear me. So yeah.
Through a windy roads between Whangārei and then the next coast. It's so green. Found another pretty beach. Obviously it's a bit grey, the Lang Beach. Lovely golden sand. Come to Waipuku for lunch. Completely different style. Got into Whangārei. It's very rainy, so we can't really do much. Just in the town centre. Just trying to get some more bits from the post office. It's a big place, last city in the Northland. Yeah.
It's raining, so we're staying in the van.
Yeah.
So we're getting coffee, and we've got cookies.
Coffee, cookies, a freedom camp somewhere in the rain. Ugh.
Hello. So we've not done too much. Now we went shopping and went to a few things in town. It's just rained non-stop today.
So we had coffee and cookies.
Yeah.
And then that was it.
And then we went to this. We went to a freedom camping site, and then this camping site, then another camping site, and came back to this camping site. And we've been here since like 3 o'clock or so. So yeah, we shall see you tomorrow because I hope there'll be more.
Might not rain as much.
Yeah.
Might just rain all the time. Atmospheric river coming. This is where we were camping last night. Finally actually been able to see outside. Whangārei. Just by the water. Morning!
Hello.
We didn't do a lot last night, it just rained. So we're heading to Whangārei. We're not sure how to say it. It's actually quite nice. But we're gonna, while it's dry-ish, we're gonna try and do some of the outside things, like the waterfall and maybe the Carry Park, but it is on and off still raining. So we'll just have to see. But we will show you what we actually managed to do today. Made it to Whangārei Falls. All the way down there.
Hey.
Hi.
So we are at
Whangārei Falls or Whangārei Falls?
yeah, which is a pretty large waterfall considering it's in the centre of town.
Yeah.
You literally park right next to it, and you can actually freedom camp here, which is quite good.
Yeah.
We're just doing the short loop, it's genuinely a few minutes. But yeah, very impressive.
Go to the bottom.
But there's always stairs. Always stairs. So one of the reasons we're actually trying to zoom around is just because the weather is so off and on that whilst it's dry, quickly run out and see things outside. So yeah, that's why we're kind of like steamrolling this walk. That's a good waterfall. That's very impressive.
where we come.
The AHV Memorial Park. We're going to try and go on the capital here to see some large couches.
Yeah. Should only take about 15 to 30 minutes. So let's go have a look. One advantage of the rain and one advantage of coming out when it just stopped raining is it's quiet, no one around, because you can actually enjoy the nature and the sound of the cars going past. You know, it is time for the Canopy Walkway. Canopy Walkway. It's a big tree. They're still super impressive trees. We've seen them a couple times now. These aren't quite as big as the other ones. Alex was saying if we have time, there's another area that we can go, and they're huge. So we might try and go see that. And after a short but steep climb, we have a waterfall, which is not bad at all.
Come to a scenic lookout between Nguru and Tutukaka. How is the view up there?
Better.
Better? Pretty. Hi.
Hey,
Hey. Look out.
look out. And also that way.
We are parked up at Matapuri Bay. There's people surfing. It has been raining all afternoon, so this is the first time we've actually seen the bay. But yeah, people surfing. Good for swimming when it's calm.
Board. So we're out to go get, well, see if they have any dinner.
Yeah, apparently there's a general store at the end of the road, which might do burgers or fish and chips or something.
Yeah, we.
Taking advantage of it not missing it down.
Yeah, it's the first time for a while. But yeah, so we're gonna see what they've got. Potentially have something. The beach is behind us. But yeah, very nice.
Yes, it would be very nice when it's sunny.
Yeah. So we ended up getting fish and chips. Nearly got a wood fire pizza.
Yeah, fish and chips it is.
Yeah. As you can tell, we've lost most of the light.
Yes.
But we are gonna walk to the van, and then we're gonna have fish and chips.